this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenClaw to the internet using Kimi K2.5 and the Ollama Cloud Gateway. No fluff, just the exact commands you need to get OpenClaw up and running for free. So let's dive in. First, open your terminal and type Ollama launch OpenClaw. You'll see a list of recommended models. Use your arrow keys to scroll down to Kimi K2.5 Cloud. This model gives you massive reasoning power and multimodal capabilities without taxing your local hardware. Now hit enter. Ollama will now ask you to sign in to pair your device. Copy the unique URL provided in the terminal and paste it into your browser. Sign in with your Ollama account. You can use Google or GitHub to make it quick. Once you're in, click connect to authorize your terminal. Now once you see device connected successfully, you can close the browser. Your terminal will automatically update to the next step. Now OpenClaw will ask to modify your configuration file and create a backup. Confirm this by selecting yes. It will now pull the Kimi config and install the necessary web search plugins. Once you see that OpenClaw is running, stay right there because it's going to start loading in the terminal TUI. Okay, so let's test this. I'm going to say hello. Cool. And now I'm going to ask, what are the latest news headlines today? Because we have the web search plugin active, Kimi K2.5 will browse the live web and summarize the top stories for you in real time. And one last pro tip. To keep it free, keep an eye on your usage limits at ollama.com/settings. You can track your session and weekly usage here to stay within the free tier. And that's it. Your OpenClaw bot is now fully integrated with web search via Kimi K2.5. Now that you have it working locally, you probably want to keep it running 24/7, so click on the video on the screen right now to see my guide on how to host OpenClaw on a VPS with a super easy one-click install. Drop a like if this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.